Yeah, that's right. We've got showers and thunderstorms right now with a new severe thunderstorm warning for folks up in areas of Grayson County. This is in Virginia. The showers and thunderstorms have really just exploded out there within the last few hours. And of course, we're watching for that threat as we go into the next couple of hours too. You can see that we've got the showers, the thunderstorms here down to the south and east, and we've also got the wind advisory out for folks there to the south as well. And so we're looking at parts of the Piedmont dealing with this too. As we go into the next little bit, we're going to be looking at lots of heavy rain, and we're looking at those showers and those thunderstorms right now too. I'm going to reset our radar for you, and we're expecting to see those temperatures, of course, warming now, as well as we've got lots of active weather bringing in with that warm front. Some 70s, some 60s, some folks in Lexington and Asheboro. You're about to warm up to Winston-Salem and Greensboro, and folks in the mountains have been in the 50s and 40s too today, but we still have severe thunderstorm threats for them as well as the system is continuing to push east very rapidly. You've got the threat of damaging winds above 60 miles an hour. That's really the main threat from some of these storms, along with isolated tornadoes. One or two could just spin up very quickly, and even the weak ones do a lot of damage, as we know. So mountains, your risk continues through at least 7 o'clock, through at least 8 o'clock in the foothills, and about 9 o'clock for the Triad. You'll start to see these lines of showers and storms wind down. But look at how extensive it is. It's all the way from parts of Virginia down south as we get you into Georgia and South Carolina. It's an active line of showers and storms right now. Lots of lightning out there, so you're going to hear rumbles of thunder. You're going to have a lot of rain on the roadways. We've got ponding too. See the heavy rains here, even some small hail is possible as we look out to the western Wilkes County area. So along 421, it's a messy commute right now for folks trying to get home. They may have to pull off the side of the road. This is the kind of rain and wind that we're getting with this storm. Warm front is lifting north, so High Point, Lexington, Asheboro, you're a lot warmer than folks are to the north, but we have the active weather with thunderstorms here continuing to push east. Your severe thunderstorm warning right now down to the south and west, and then one, as we mentioned, up for Grayson County just coming up within the last few minutes. Your tornado watch, that is in effect to our southwest, but not including the viewing area right now. So grateful that we've had cooler temperatures, some more stability earlier in the day. And although this is a powerful system aloft, it could still create some of those winds for us, but we're looking at a little less stability at the surface that has helped us, at least initially, from seeing these severe thunderstorm warnings pop up everywhere. You've got showers and thunderstorms though through Trap Hill, Mount Airy. One storm, as we mentioned, coming out of Grayson County in Virginia that could drop some intense winds, and we're looking at 22-mile-an-hour gusts. Ahead of it, Mount Airy at 33 miles an hour, and we've got more warnings just coming up for you right now. You see 45 in Walnut Cove, and I'm going to step off just to check that for you too. We've got that severe thunderstorm warning right now coming up for folks as we go up into areas of Sparta, Grayson County, as we mentioned. Those are the areas now beginning to get those storms rolling through. So taking a quick look here, we're going to see that we've got warnings coming up for a few other areas. I'm going to try and switch it back to our radar here where you can see at this hour the latest warning coming up for folks right here. We've got so much rain on the radar too. We're talking about heavy downpours and looking at those warnings for Grayson County, as we mentioned, and now we're going to be watching down to the south and west too. So heavy rain, the threat of more temperature changes for you too. You're going to notice that from the 60s and 50s, you might even warm into the 70s. You've also got the winds that we've talked about too. The wind advisory is on for us until about 10 a.m. for folks out there in the mountains, and gusts tonight with a high wind warning to 60 miles an hour. We've got temperatures at 50 degrees in Winston-Salem now jumping to 67 degrees. You just saw that within the last few minutes. So that warm front pushing in, and as it does so, it's going to lift that warm front and create more instability and the possibility of isolated damaging wind gusts and a few tornadoes possible tonight. So stay weather alert, make sure your alerts are on, and we're going to keep you posted here. We'll be watching these storms for you too. Cooler clearing as we go into the weekend. We've got 60s on Saturday and 40s as well as 60s by Sunday afternoon. Pretty cool compared to where we've been, but you notice those temperatures to 64 tomorrow. Wind concerns, they'll continue for everybody, especially in the mountains, at least through middle of the morning. Here's that 7-day beautiful, sunny and dry for folks up through Tuesday at least, and then cooler and more seasonable weather with rain chances middle of the week. We'll keep you updated on the latest warnings coming up.